my YouTube channel, Yours Professionally, with me, Sangeeta Subramanian. Hope everyone is doing great and preparing good for exams. So in today's video, we're going to see the amendments for December 2021 exams. We all are aware of the concept of CSR, corporate social responsibility. How do they implement such CSR policies is that either they do it directly or they do it through NGOs. NGOs in the sense it can be a society or it can be a trust or it can be a Section 8 company. What they do is they implement their CSR policies through a channel, through a medium. They use the NGOs for this purpose. Yeah. Now, this provision, this amendment says whichever NGO is going to raise the CSR funds and implement the policy of such company should register with the central government in form CSR 1. If it exceeds a paid up capital of 50 lakhs and turnover of 2 crores, in that case it ceases to be a small company. Okay, so this was the previous definition. Now the definition states that paid up capital of 2 crores and turnover of 20 crores is the definition of a small company. There are some interesting amendments that have come in one-person company, OPC. What are they? We all know OPC has certain conditions. First condition being only a resident can start an OPC in India. This amendment takes away that and it says even a non-resident individual, non-resident Indian can start an OPC in India. Yeah, interesting. So there are a lot of chances for you to get tested on this point. We know OPC comes under the limit of small company definition. Once it crosses the limit of small company definition, it ceases to be an OPC and they have to mandatorily convert themselves into a private company. Yes, but now with this amendment, they have told irrespective of the turnover criteria, they can exist the same. The nature of the company can be the same. They can remain as an OPC. Once OPC is incorporated, it can't convert itself into another form of company for 2 years period. Yes. So now the amendment states it can convert anytime. There are no time limitations for itself to convert. It can convert anytime. There are no such time limitations, they say. When a company goes for rights issue, they provide an offer period being 15 days. Now the 15 days has been reduced to 7 days. Okay, so the offer period for rights issue, rights offer is only 7 days. The public company which has listed their non-convertible debt securities or non-convertible redeemable preference shares on a private placement basis. Remember, it's not for public, it's on private placement basis. Yeah, in that case it is not a listed company. Get it? Let's come to private company. So private company again which has listed their debt securities on a stock exchange, a private placement and no public involved. So this is also not a listed entity. Any public company that has listed their equity shares not on a recognized stock exchange but on a stock exchange which is up to some jurisdiction.
This is the notification of the amendment passed.
One-person company and small companies are done away with annual return filing, which means they need not file in form MGT 7. Instead, a abridged form of annual return is supposed to be filed in form MGT 7A. Hope this video helped you in preparation. Keep preparing and all the very best.